I am inside of this building that they're constructing, and I just unloaded. These guys know exactly what the hell they're doing with these little forklifts. We're in a covered area right now, but you can see the light out front, where of course the roof isn't completed, and where you see water, the shiny spots under here, it's water, but out there it's ice. And in just a minute or two, that's where I'll be dealing with sheets of ice. And I actually got stuck, and they had to use this that lift, that big lift right there, to pull me out. Actually pull me in here. It was a pain in the butt, to say the least. But we made it. This is not dry van stuff right here. I'm gonna leave you guys on, that you watch me as I exit this place. You know, this is brand new for me, so it's all a learning experience. But it's pretty cool, man. It's not, you know, bumping the dock all the time. This place isn't even on Google Maps. You don't see it. You can't pull it up and see, you know, where you're going. Is just on Google Maps, it just shows empty ground, you know. And here comes the fun part. I'm gonna exit out this little hole right here where I came in, and it's just covered with ice. It looks muddy, but it's ice on top of that. And this hole right here, as you can see, I just barely fit through there. Just cleared the mirrors. And then I gotta watch to make sure that my trailer is gonna come out of that hole. But this is all ice I'm on right now. It's just slippery. And I got stuck. Even the chains didn't work. And I got these super singles. They are super suck. They super suck. I would not recommend super singles. Oh, this truck's in this van is going to be fun to maneuver around. I don't know that I'm going to be able to do it. I know I'm not. They're going to have to come and move it. Come on, guys. Come move your van. So I'm definitely not going to be able to clear it. I'm going to let them see me trying, and maybe they'll move it, but I can't scoot over any. I'm going to try, but I don't think I'm going to be able to clear it. I might. Yeah, I cleared it. I made it. All right, I made it. Good job. You know, new drivers come out. You know, they'll go through, get their CDL, and Melton will send you out with a trainer for a little bit. But there's just no way you're going to be able to experience all of this stuff And inside of there, I had to turn around in that building with all those poles and equipment and all that kind of stuff. I mean, you pretty much need to know how to drive to do this. You know, and like right here, I can't stop. If I stop, I'll be stuck. I'll get a tractor. And then you can't get off the road, because if you get off the road, you're in trouble also. Lots of fun, learning experience. Every day you're at a job site, you just never know what you're going to run into. But this was delivered, done. They're building to the left here is warehouse buildings, and that's what they're building back there. And you know, it's pretty cool to watch them work. You know, there's a lot of engineering going on in there. And that's it. We're done. We're unloaded. And about 3 miles from here is a Love's, and I'm gonna go to that Love's and clean the truck up a little bit. It's pretty nasty inside. I'm nasty, so getting in and out, fighting that slick spot I was stuck in. I tracked a lot of mud in here, and the steering wheel is covered with mud, so I'm gonna go to the Love's and park and clean myself up and clean the truck up and get started on the next load.